Namaste. Wishing you all a very happy International Yoga Day. Today's topic is how yoga is different from any other physical exercise. Basically, goal of yoga is never to achieve physical fitness. It is union of our inner self with the universal divine consciousness. But at the beginner's level, we will think about only the physical benefits. I will try to give most scientific reasons of why yoga and not any other exercise, and that too in most simplistic way. I have learnt yoga from two wonderful institutions, Janardhan Swami Yogabhyasi Mandal Nagpur and Swami Vivekananda Yoganusandhan Sansthan Bangalore. The knowledge gained is from them. I am just passing it forward in the form of this video. So stay tuned. If we try to search what are the most common diseases, Google gives this list. If you search more on each of these, it will show same causes like high blood pressure, heavy weight, uncontrolled blood sugar and stress. Directly or indirectly, stress will be seen as the common factor in almost all of them. Exception is TB, but it's because there are no studies regarding that. So all these are stress-related diseases. So let's first understand what is stress. It is not what we think. Stress, according to definition, is a natural and necessary response to cope up with any demanding or challenging situation. For example, if fire sets in, what is the response? It is first anxiety, then heart rate is increased, blood pressure is increased, breathing rate is increased. The breathing becomes quicker and shallower. Muscles get compressed, digestive blood flow is reduced, mouth becomes dry. All these responses are to save us from the danger so that either we can run away fast or rescue the fire situation. This is called fight or flight response. And once the demanding situation is over, all functions return to normal. BP becomes normal, breath rate is normal, blood flow is normal. Remember, the first response was emotional one, starting in the limbic system of brain. This is the key. These responses are same for physically challenging and emotionally challenging situations. Even if we are angry or sad, there are changes in the breathing rate, heart rate, blood glucose, digestive blood flow. If someone argues with you, it is not a life-threatening situation, but still our body responses are same. You will see same symptoms in panic attacks. And the most important thing is, these responses don't return to normal after the situation because we are keeping on thinking about that emotional situation continuously. And these persistent, long-standing responses which do not return to normal is the cause of stress-related diseases. So stress is the response and not the actual situation. We have a tendency to store the stress not only in our nervous system, but it distributes throughout the musculature, digestive system and all. Let's have a look at these responses once again. We cannot control heart rate, blood sugar, blood pressure, but we can control breathing rate and muscle contractions. And this is the trick our great rishis captured thousands of years ago and incorporated in the practices of Yogasana. In Yogabhyas, we try to slow down the breathing rate. We take any particular pose so that blood flow to that particular part is improved, and we consciously relax the muscles. Our Guruji says every asana should be Shavasana, Sthiram Sukham Asanam. It should be steady and comfortable, relaxed pose, achieved through Prayatna Shaithilya or conscious relaxation as told in Patanjali Yoga Sutras. Easy, isn't it? Such a simple way to bring back all the responses to normal and get away from all the stress-related diseases. It is absolutely okay if you are not able to do every pose perfectly, but it is absolutely essential to do every pose mindfully with breath awareness and with conscious relaxation. With regular practice, gradually you will be able to do every pose perfectly. Doing the movement slowly without any jerks gives better neuromuscular coordination. Yoga is not just stretching, it is much more. Whatever I shared today is just like a small drop in the vast ocean of Yoga Shastra. To find more treasures, let's practice our Yoga Abhyas more efficiently. The concept of Yoga Din was first given by Janardhan Swami Maharaj long before the trend started. So let's remember his message on this note. Samadhanaya Saukhyaya Nirogatvaya Jivane Yogamevabhyaset Prajnah Yatha Shakti Nirantaram. Dhanyavad.